Caroline's Rainbow Foundation was founded in 2002. Since then we have focused on travel safety, primarily for the gap year and independent travel communities. Our Safer Travel interactive workshops are delivered by our team of experienced travellers who have all undergone our extensive training programme. They fully understand our safety principles, awareness techniques and risk strategies. During the workshops, they will also share exciting stories and personal anecdotes from their adventures. Developing this VR experience and adding it to our Safer Travel workshops is revolutionary. It helps to cement the information, enhances people's understanding around travel safety. They can play with risk assessments and awareness strategies. So in essence, if a similar situation were to arise when someone was travelling, people would be experiencing it for the second time. They would instinctively know what to do. So as we talk about risk assessments, we can talk about them in a very broad sense, and doing it this way is going to make it easier for you to understand it. And if you start thinking about the process now, it will become automatic. And this is really, really important that we can look at ways that we can do quick fire risk assessments in any situation, because a lot of the time we're going to be working with people, we're going to be in environments that we're not so comfortable. So after 19 years of working with Caroline's Rainbow Foundation, we've looked at safety from many different formats, in many different ways. We've managed to boil that down into three main principles, and it falls under knowledge, awareness and response. Places to take extra care, what are the common crimes, the top safety tips, the annual events, all of this information falls under knowledge. And this is something that you can look at before you embark on your travelling experience. Nobody can be aware 100% of the time, it's just not possible. The key to this is being aware at the right times. So knowing when you're in a high risk environment and then making that decision to go, I'm going to stop what I'm doing, I'm going to raise my awareness to what's around me. How you respond in a situation can dramatically change the outcome. And this is relevant, so obviously this is a scene in London, and this is relevant whether you're in your home country, your hometown, or travelling on the other side of the world. The same rules apply. So remember, knowledge, awareness and response. They are three pillars that are pivotal to your safety. We work with independent travellers, educational bodies, as well as many gap year and travel related businesses. I mean, we've developed these workshops over a long period of time, and it's bringing together all this information. And it's not just from us, it's from people who have actually been off and done the travelling, so they've got their own experiences, they've got their own tips, their own anecdotes, and it's really important that they share that. They're excited to share that information. I've been interested in travel since a young age, really, and it's going out and exploring the world is not something that we do lightly. It's a big commitment. So to go away, certainly for a significant period of time, is something that takes a lot of guts, and it's not easy to do. So I think if we can help people structure their travels, think about different parts of their experience, and to consider their safety, then I think these workshops are really, really worthwhile.